Uh, okay, we haven't recorded in like 99 years, so now we're back, and we're going to be playing Demonology.
Guess who's back? Back again.
Wait, did you take the EMF reader?
Yeah. I did.
Oh, I wanted to turn it into a phone. No, I can't.
Oh.
Because if you've already picked it up, I can't. Look, I can turn this into an, thingamajig.
Painting.
Yeah, sure.
Paint holder.
Because because you're a little far away, speak up.
I really like the beach house by the looks of it. It looks so cool.
Yeah, this is our first time being in beach house.
Yeah, very first time.
I'm exploring.
Ooh.
Let's keep that open in case we need to run for our life. Let's see. They can get agitated if we like turn on the lights, so I want to see where it is.
Oh.
See if you like can find any Ouija boards.
I found a plushie.
If the plushie floats up and get possessed, then
Is it a demon?
then we need. Hold on.
Wait, you can go outside.
Right. When a plushie is possessed, it will float in the air whilst in the state. Ghosts with spirit box evidence are guaranteed to give a spirit box reply. If you are too far away from the plushie when asking the spirit box a question, the ghost will not be able to give a guaranteed reply. Make sure you are mindful of your positioning while trying to interact with the plushie being used as a vessel. Yeah. We have to find this ghost type and discover which one it is. Because we have to find out which ghost it is. And some of them are actually deadly. Oh, since when was there a wretch? I never knew that.
A wrench? What the flip?
Glass is broken. I don't like that. I think it's a
Oh, I
bench.
found it. I found where the glass broke.
What's the degree in that room?
Oh, the guest bedroom is 7 degrees. Oh, damn. EMF level 3.
Yeah, I think it's definitely in there.
I stepped on the glass. It makes you slower.
Yeah, and it puts that red particle around you, don't it?
If I step on the glass. Flip.
And stop stepping on glass.
I can't. It's inside of the closet.
My ears. Oh, look, a spirit book. Oh, I like his drawing it done.
I keep flipping, standing on glass.
Do you like his drawing? I like his drawing. Ah.
Yeah, the closet isn't safe.
Not anymore. Is there any ghost orbs?
No.
Okay, no, that's a no, that's a no.
Inscription.
I don't think it's wither. Or that. Since when was doppelganger, I think.
Oh, it was doppelganger.
Yeah.
Actually. Wait, actually, what?
I don't like that.
Wretch. What's a wretch?
I don't know, we haven't played this in a long time, so there's like new updates. But we do know how to play them.
I just want to go into the flipping.
It went red. It went red. Young. Okay, it's young. It's young.
Okay. Spirit box. Oh, it could be a doppelganger. Please be a doppelganger.
Stop saying you're young. I mean, oh, it wants to kill us. That's great, isn't it?
I think you're gonna anger it though.
Oh, it's away. Your goal's far away. Oh. It wants to attack.
How the flip did I get injured outside? There is no glass outside.
Well, all the other things you have. I don't like that glass.
Me neither. Well, it's not freezing temperatures. I don't think.
Oh, it's handprints. There's a handprint on the back of the door.
Handprint.
I think it's a spirit.
It's a spirit, yeah. Yay!
Wait, I want to research by the spirit. Spirits have no documented strengths. They can alter the flame color of candles Spirits are a manifestation of the soul of the deceased. They are able to project into the physical world and have been observed to manipulate electronic frequencies. They are often eager to communicate with the living and generally considered harmless. Jesus Christ, my pronunciations.
It's fine.
My pronunciations are crazy. We done awesome. And it was a spirit. We got it correct. It was 29 years old and it was in the guest bedroom. And now we're gonna go into another round.
We do nightmare.
Yeah.
Easier.
Yeah, nightmare you get more money, so I'm scared of nightmare. It goes crazy, like demons happen.
Yeah.
Let's see some fun happening. We're gonna risk lives multiple times to find out what ghost type this is. I don't know. I've got the phone. Look, I can turn it into a phone. It's a phone now. What is that? I wonder any to watch. Well, you have this monitor, so I can't really find out which room it is unless. I think it was in the closet, in the pantry. I don't think he likes people going in the pantry.
I'm scared.
I don't think he likes people in the pantry.
I want it in the pantry.
Me too.
I want it
I'm just gonna say demon, that's my bet. Why not?
Can we just guess demon?
Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
I don't want to do this alone.
Don't die on me. Even though I died on you. It doesn't look like it's doing that.
Oh, it's angry. Help. It just closed the door slightly.
I mean, there's a soul canister.
Yeah.
So that means, that's hinting to it, right?
Can I get out of the closet?
We'll come back when we find out what it is. It was a spectre, but spectres are quite hurtful sometimes.
Annoying.
Yeah, and this was nightmare mode, and we're gonna be doing nightmare mode again on the same map.
Yeah.
Because that didn't go well.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be more cautious this time. Wait. Oh my god. I like the painting more because they can draw their art. I want to get that one. How much is it?
It's waiting for.
I'm going to buy that when I go into the lobby. But my EMF reader. EMF reader 2 in the pantry, in the. Oh. Yes. How'd you know? I don't want to go in there. Oh, I need to stop being baby. Well, it's raining. That's something.
We are Charlie. It's either in the kitchen or the living room.
I don't like either of those places. Oh, I don't think there's any ghost orbs.
I like the kitchen because it has. It is the kitchen. It's colder than the other kitchen.
Wait. Wait. Let me in.
I placed it perfectly.
I don't know if there was a ghost orb in here. Oh, just it threw that. Hello. Oh, I can't tell if there's a ghost orb.
Where the flip did it throw it? He threw it all the way to.
Yes, I'm pretty sure there is a ghost orb.
Let's put ghost box on.
It's EMF level 3 so far. What do you want? Where did you go? Are you near? How long ago did you die? Is there a ghost here?
What do you want?
What do you want? When did you cross over? Where are you? Okay. I don't think it's spirit box. Where'd the flower pot go? Can we get the flower pot back here, please? Flower pot. The pantry creaked open. I don't like that. I'm gonna go get some more stuff.
Okay, what stuff did we forget?
Well, it's not EMF level 5 because it's only ever hit 3. Even when it's on a hunt. It's hunting for you. It's hunting for you.
Yeah, it's not withered either because it'll literally just throw it across the room twice.
Okay, so no withered.
And I don't think it's spirit box.
EMF level 4. No, she's on 4.
It's not EMF either.
I don't think it's Banshee because we haven't heard any glass break. Let's hunt already end, please.
What the flip? It just looked me dead in the eye.
Then close it. Close the closet.
No, like it was just like I was in the closet. It was like peeking from the door, staring at me, and then it just started to go on the floor and shake.
Let me in.
Okay.
It's laser projector. It's laser projector. Laser projector.
How?
Because I saw it right before I went on a hunt.
I don't know if I saw it or not, but I saw something.
It was a shadow of the laser projector.
Lady, I see you and you see me.
Hey. It keeps cancelling out my tool, which means I'm going to investigate the wretch and the umbra.
Well, it's not freezing temperatures either, because it gets close to freezing temperatures, but it's not freezing temperatures. Like, it's averaging 3.
I can hear my heartbeat. I don't like that.
I can... Wait.
This is the umbra. I need the umbra.
I feel your heart beat to the beat of the drum.
That was quite random. But nothing I have will help now because we already have all that evidence.
Oh, flip. Oh, flip.
Wait, is it the book?
I don't know.
Because if it isn't, then if it's not, then it's an umbra. If it is, then it's a wretch.
How flip do you know?
Because there's no spirit box, no wither, no EMF level 5. Yes, ghost orb, yes. Laser projector. I don't like that.
Hi. It's not freezing temperatures.
So it's not freezing.
The flower pot was just spinning. Nah. Not laughing.
I don't like that.
Be the sleep. Is the spirit book. What actual flip? Here. How's it next to us?
Now, bro, I'm running. I ran for my life. I think it's an umbra because I don't think I heard it make an umbra sound, like making footstep sound. So I'm gonna do umbra. What are you gonna do? Okay. So I guess you've done nothing. Yay! Yay! Smile was an umbra. It was a male, 51, and it was in the office. We thought it was in the kitchen, but it's still done everything we wanted it to, surprisingly. This is the end of the video. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.